Hi, hello everyone. We have done here.
Hello.
Mo i-pick up karon si Abby. Dayon si Lenley. Diyon mo adto na may. That's about 300 kilometers away from here. So let's go.
Podcast na lang.
Yung ginanang mo yung mga dagat yung mga tawa. Mag-subscribe
Wala si
ko na.
Uy, mabanggat. Gucci oh. May pasiyabi ka na lang. Hi guys.
Hi. Tapos may God willing yung opportunity ko sa Abu Dhabi. Ha? I need to wait 2 months. Wala akong nasabi kasi parang
Lainey pala to siya, si Lainey.
Hi
Lenley.
guys!
Itong Tesla.
Ay! Tesla ba to?
oo.
Tesla to.
So ang kinain kong breakfast is 4-piece na chicken wings.
4-piece? Mga anang ayuda?
Oh, tapos 4-piece.
Again.
Okay.
Ano?
Minikanic.
Minikani ko ni Monico, ang makina ng manika ni Monica.
Yes. Binikani ko ni Monica, ang makina na manika ni Monica.
Airplane. Magpagkuha ng open ka na camera. Talaga yung gusto, no? Actually, Kuya Bon,
May bridge from that.
Dry river.
Dry river.
Hanging bridge talaga siya. May insurance naman ako, Kuya Bon. Ayos na.
Atong life.
Awesome.
Ato insurance sa heaven.
Wow. England. Go
There's the
England.
people.
Oh, tawa na hagpab.
Yeah. Tandoori.
We're here.
Hi.
Wow. Wow.
The flower.
6.
6.
I think it's here.
Oh, kasi 7.
Hi, Jeff.
Hello, Ate Jen.
Oh, Manua. Sa 3-story house. Uy, maganda ng kitchen mo. Oh, yeah.
Wow, house tour.
Baka may no?
Malhin na ta diri lang.
Pag may kasama ako, hindi na nakaalis.
Fresh pa tayo.
Oh my God.
Parang yung galing ka pang night shift dyan, Far.
Ako?
Hi guys, welcome to Jeb's Kitchen. So let's do a tour. Here we have an air fryer sponsored by Russell Hobbs and this rice cooker too. It looks really posh and look at the rice. It's so giving Philippine rice. And here's a Samsung induction. So dapat guys, yung nagmamagnet siya. Tignan natin kung ano to. Ay, sinigang. And this.
Oh. Nagtulo-tulo.
Hello, allergies.
Ay, allergies.
No, it's okay.
Oh,
You can
no.
have it. It's okay.
Dan.
So everyone, here's the fridge reveal. Ta-da!
Oh, to the empty.
Oh my gosh, there's a cat on top of the fridge. Nagulat ako.
Para mo tong sa mga vlogs, Jev, na
Yeah.
nafe-feel ang mga ganyan. Fanta.
Like so organized.
Uy, love, come here.
So clean.
Ate Jeff, ano yung orange juice?
Wow.
One pineapple.
Hello there.
Pineapple, tama.
Hello there.
Ano siya, British. Medyo matamis pa siguro yan, Far. Kasi hindi siya 1 liter. Nilalagyan ko pa siya ng tubig, no?
Matamis.
Lalagyan ko pa siya ng tubig. Kasi isang sachet siya eh. Kaya wala lang ako. Gusto ko lang.
Pero okay lang man.
Tugot, oh.
Yan.
Ganda. Oh, ako naman. Para.
Hey.
Fries, where's my fries? Fries. Like very large fries. Yes.
Hindi ako tomato sauce.
Ketchup pala. Sabi ko sana, do you have tomato sauce?
Magpasta daw siya.
Guys.
Nice pa siya, mga ng water drainage system. Mga pagod na.
guys, let's party.
Dito naman ako ulit, pero ibang view naman, kumakain pa rin ako.
Ito pa yung seagull na kumakain.
Sige, sabihan mo.
Ito po yung local seagull nila, kumakain ng chips.
Bidan! Go, Abby! Go, Abby!
Talagang minaan.
Thank you!
Girl, muntik ako matyok.
Huy, mag-water ka! Water ka? You have water? Huy!
Wait lang.
Do you have water?
Wala.
OMG!
Hindi, I think it's the smoke.
It's beautiful.
Yung yate lang. Cool and refreshing.
Yeah. What can you say about Hull?
Hall is not diverse.
Uy, mong baba.
Uy!
Hi, Dan. Hi, Jeff. You've got a lovely place. Hi, boy.
I would like to greet my mother and my father, especially my parents. I'm here
And
now.
what else? Wow, look at
I
that.
made it. I made it in life.
We are small. Gusto ko picturean yung mga feet na.
Oh, look at this.
Alang.
Ba't kayo nakapila? Di ka nilalamig, Dan? Malamig lang.
Dami kong kinain na tinola kanina.
It's cold.
Ay, hindi sa kanang kaba.
Fact checking na tayo, guys. Google.
In 1299, King Edward I purchased it and renamed it Kingstown upon Hull. Over time, locals and merchants shortened the name.
It's River Hall.
What are these? Parameters?
So why
Ano yan? That's the transmitter. Oh, transmitter kasi yung spaceship mothership nila andon. Kasi that's how they communicate sa outer space. Yan.
Ay, na-open.
May laman?
Wala. Ah, meron.
Uy.
An open beer.
Siguro nag-decide na sila, I've changed my mind.
Baka may tumalon.
Bago tumalon
Offer.
nila. Dito na lang kayo. Wag na kayong...
Loo pa.
Hi.
The president of the
Okay.
Din doon.
Dapat spiritual yung recap. Can we have your testimony, please?
Yeah.
How you are blessed today.
Our show thanks the Lord for such grace and the glory in her life that we are blessed.
We are blessed. We are all
Thank you,
blessed.
Pastor Dan. And next is Reverend Lenley.
Well,
Ay, totoo talaga sumasagot kayo.
Sige.
Kakanta mo na daw
Sige
siya.
naman na. Hindi siya yung taga-interview. Ikaw muna.
Oo.
Yeah.
Sagutin mo.
No pressure.
What are you thankful for?
kaya ako, wag yun ako.
What are you thankful for?
today that after a long time, we've seen each other.
Oh, yeah.
I we didn't age.
No, wait. Ikaw lang yung long time. Kami, we always see each other.
But we don't see you each other.
Okay, next.
Pasalamat ako kasi sa McDo kanina, munti ka nang humingi ng tomato sauce. Ketchup pala.
Ikaw ate.
Hindi si ano muna. Si homeowner.
Ano
Yes.
ba? Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat at binigyan niyo.
Saka i-shout out mo yung dalawang cats mo.
Yung shoutouts kay Shira and Kira. Hope they can watch
No,
this.
in cat lang.
I'm just grateful for everyone's presence. And I'm grateful to be here, seeing the world again. Yeah, after being unwell for a while. But thank God that we're all well, that we're all happy in spite of the challenges. So let's hang on to the Lord, give glory and praise to Him, and thank Him for everything that He has done in our lives.
Okay. Tapos, ang next activity is group yourselves. So, are you ready? Okay. Group yourselves sa may mga maintenance for blood pressure. Yay!
Group yourselves sa mga stressed sa work.
Hindi ako stress.
Kasama dito.
Ay, wala na pala akong work.
Sorry. Where's the miming? Yun na. Palabasin mo.
Malamig eh.
Nylon.
Premier League title winning captain Martin Ødegaard, right back Julian Rice.
Come on, England. Norway.
Holland.
Come on, Kira.
Isa mo tindan.
England, of course. It's
Well.
England.
Kung sino manalo.
Okay, padala na ko ni sa
Sa home office.
home office. Cancel ang passport.
Ang tindahan ni Jem. From tindahan ni Jem. Sabi si Jem, good morning. Ha?
No, I'm not.
Ayun ba yun? Yung time na yan? Christmas party.
Yung may couple-couple.
Good morning, good morning. Day 2 in
Ay, wala
Hong.
siya yung sa Cambridge. Yun, Abichan. Cambridge. Wala. Oh, grabe naman.
Our builder,
Go, Dansky!
Dansky.
Limpium, not limp.
Ooh, look at these.
Fully charged.
Wow, hardworking. Alright
course,
guys,
Yan na lang
last day at Jem's house and we have Bobot and Farabels
Hi,
and
we're in hall. Hi,
Dan,
we're in hall.
Dan over there, Jem, and nasa sa Tilini, ayun. Hi guys, once again, we're in hall.
And don't forget, we're in hall.
Hindi, picture. Pwede mag sa picture.
Ah, sige.
Na nag-initializing.
Kakaiba yung aftertaste niya. Parang may 2 seconds na dapat pinasa niya kay Halan, di ba? Ang taste niya. Sayang.
Summer or fall, all you've got to do is call, and I'll be there.
Yeah.
You've got a